Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today and checking out this video on an older, what appears to be Breckwell Pellet Stove Controller. I say Breckwell because it has a lot of the characteristics of a relatively modern Breckwell, the analog version, in that it has an on-off switch, it has a thermostat or manual switch, it has a control knob to allow you to set the speed of the auger and the intensity of one of the fans. I say one of the fans because I don't have a schematic for the stove that it goes into. So right now I have it connected to the combustion fan. It'll be this light right here. And the auger is the one with a yellow indicator on it. So the blue and the yellow light should come on. Fan and auger. I have it hooked up. Scott sent me this one because he was having very erratic performance from it and he felt it needed to be repaired. So after discussing this with him, I had him send it to me, and this evening I received it. I spent some time on it and I believe I found the problem. But before I repair the problem, I wanted to do a little bit of documentation for everyone to see and for myself to have for the future. So I'll go ahead and turn on my tester and we'll see the combustion fan come on. And for some reason it switched itself into automatic mode, so we'll leave it that way for now. But if I control the knob here, we see that I have zero control over the, I have some control over the combustion fan. And there the auger just came on. And notice how it's coming on and off again. That's something that Scott had noted, that it was running on and off very erratically. So I just heard a relay clicking and notice how the lights are flickering here. It's just not a good performer. So I'm going to go ahead and make the repairs, and then I'll come back with this video to see if it performs any better and document that functionality. There we go. I don't think I sense that is the problem that Scott was seeing. We see a blinking light over here on the LED. I believe that's the problem that Scott was seeing, and I'm able to reproduce it with my tester here. So I'm going to let it go for now. I'll make the repairs, and when I come back I hope to have it fixed. Bye bye. Hi everyone, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes now since I completed the repairs on Scott's Breckwell type pellet stove controller. Ever since then I've had it on, I have not shut it off, and it seems to be running exactly the way that I expect it to. I have control of the fan intensity, and at the same time that control gives me some variance on the auger feed rate, whether it feeds for a longer period of time and whether the duty cycle is increased or decreased. So we see now the light is on for a slightly longer period of time. Let me go up to max. It's on for a longer period of time, which means it would feed more pellets into the fire pit, causing the fire to roar stronger and generating more heat. Everything now is functional. I've checked out a few other things on it as well. Everything looks very good on this old controller board. It's surprising, but it looks like it's quite the tank. It's fairly robust. I've marked where the red wire on the cable should be. Scott, as you're aware, there's been a previous fix on this knob. That's not something to be concerned with. It appears to be functioning quite correctly. I checked the wiring from this cable to this faceplate. Everything looks good. The switches work fine. I've checked them with my ohm meter, and as you know, you have to reconnect the power on switch so that controls your stove on and off. But everything is there. It's a little worse for wear, but it appears to be functioning quite nicely. So Scott, I want to thank you for sending me this, and I appreciate it very much. For all of you other viewers out there, If you have a Breckwell brand pellet stove controller or USSC or Quadrifire that you need service on, please feel free to contact me. My contact information will be found in the information for this video just below this video clip. And I do hope that you'll take the time to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll try to answer them. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.